good day everyone. So today we're going to discuss about derivative and antiderivative with Eliana Sofia Guerrero and CU Payuno. Without further ado, let's go. So we have our first derivative example right here, and by the way, we have 6 different rule and derivative, and this is the fourth rule, which is the sum and difference rule. So in here, we are going to apply the first, second, and the third rule. So we have the given of y is equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. So itong 1, pwede na yan kahit wala nakalagay. Okay, so we have y prime is equals to the exponent of 2, we're going to bring it down and multiply it by 3. And then the exponent 2 will be subtracted by 1. So it's 2 multiplied by 3x raised to 2 minus 1 minus 4, and then multiply it again by 1. Then the exponent 1 will be subtracted by 1 again. So it's seen as 1 times 4x raised to 1 minus 1. Okay. And then using the constant rule, this 2 will be 0. Okay. So it's easy like that, easy peasy. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So wala na siya nakalagay. So ganyan na lang. 6x minus 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0, kaya tanggal na yung x. So this is the final answer. So we have another given right here, and in order to solve this, we're going to use the product rule. So our given is y is equals to the quantity of 4x minus 1 to the quantity of 3x plus 2. So our first step is to assign 4x minus 1 as u and 3x plus 2 as v. And after that, we're going to find the derivative of u and v. So u prime is equals to 1 times 4x raised to 1 minus 1. So, yung exponent na 1 ay binabalang and multiply kay 4, and yung exponent na 1 ay minus 1. So, ang kinalabasan ay 4. Ganun din gagawin sa kabila. 1 times 3x raised to 1 minus 1 is 3. So after nun ay i-multiply ang 4x minus 1 sa derivative ng v, which is 3, and 3x plus 2 sa derivative ng u, which is 4. So y prime is equals to the quantity of 4x minus 1 multiplied by 3 plus the quantity of 3x plus 2 multiplied by 4. So, ang gagawin lang dyan is 4x times 3, which is 12x. Negative 1 times 3 is equals to negative 3 plus 3x multiplied by 4 is 12x, and 2 times 4 is 8. And then, combine like terms, which is 12x plus 12x is 24, and negative 3 plus 8 is positive 5. And ito na yung final answer.
F of x is equal to 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. 3x raised to 2 dx is equals to 3 times x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 times x raised to 3 over 3 equal to x raised to 3. Nadagdagan ng 1 ang exponent na 2, kaya naging 3 siya. Hinati sa bagong exponent na 3. 3 divide 3, kaya ang natira ay x raised to 3. 4x dx is equal to 4 times x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 equals to 4 times x raised to 2 over 2 is equal to 2x raised to 3. Ganun lang din ang procedure niyan. Ang exponent ng x ay 1 kaya naging 2 siya. Hinati sa bagong exponent na 2 kaya naging 4 divide 2 kaya naging 2x raised to 2. Ang final answer ay x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 2 plus 5x plus c.